Hi, I'm Lena Palushaj.
And I'm Elise Stuetz.
And today we're going to teach you how to make
Banana chocolate chip muffins.
To make banana chocolate chip muffins, you will need 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 cup sour cream, ½ cup butter, 2 eggs, 1 3/4 cup ripe bananas mashed, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, ½ teaspoon baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, and chocolate chips as desired.
In a large bowl, beat together sugar, sour cream, butter, Next, you're going to mix in the bananas and vanilla extract.
Next, you're going to add in flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Then mix for 1 minute. Finally, mix in chocolate chips as desired.
Next, put the muffins into a preheated oven at 375 degrees and bake for 15 to 20 minutes.
And voila, your muffins are done. This has been Lena Palushaj.
And Elise Stuetz.
Thanks for watching.
Back to you at the W.